Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you why you find like sometimes your machine has a paper jam. I'm doing this video because I've got a client. She's been having a paper jam and I fixed the issue, but then after 2 days then it's the same thing. It's a HP LaserJet Pro 500, but you can find this issue can also be with the Canon printers because most of them they are the same as HP. Yeah, you can see, I'm gonna give you this. You can see this fuser unit already, the paper rolled in here. So person tried to take out a half and they turn it, but anyway, this fuser unit, this fuser sleeve was already dirty. So when it's dirty, that simply means or tells you that even if you clear this paper jam, it's gonna come back again up until you choose to do what, to change the fuser unit itself or the sleeve. But changing the unit, it's gonna be very expensive for you. You rather change the sleeve, and the sleeve is cheaper, but it has a pain of changing it because it's not easy to be changed by anyone. You must know what you do, but at least with good luck I made a video of how to change a fuser sleeve. So if your fuser sleeve is in that condition as you see this, I really advise you to change it because you will never win on a paper jam. You're gonna fix it 2 days, 3 days, same thing, you get me? So you're gonna get tired. But if you give your machine a new fuser sleeve, it can take you months, you get me? Not even months, even a year, if you're not very busy, get me? So you can find these things online. A fuser sleeve can cost you maybe, let me say, $20 to $30 this. But if you want a fuser unit, you could spend almost $100 US, depending on the country where you are. But I don't recommend to buy a fuser because you're gonna spend money for nothing. So a sleeve is the one which is a problem, because the new one, a new fuser unit comes with a new fuser sleeve. Why don't you buy a sleeve and fix your machine? You can see, so I had to take out the entire fuser, you get me? So the fuser looks like this. This is HP LaserJet Pro 500, and the sleeve, this is the sleeve. We're talking about the sleeve. So already a lot of papers rolled up on it. Why they do roll up on it? Sometimes the toner you're using is a fake toner. Sometimes it gets dirty whenever it prints. It leaves sometimes the papers you're using, they are dirty, then they leave some particles. They pile up every day, months and months. Then it starts to be dirty and it starts papers to stick there. So of which it's pretty difficult to clean that fuser sleeve. Very difficult. If there are people who can do that, then it's okay, but I don't know any easy way to do it. I'm gonna park here. Yeah guys, yes, that's why you see this is a school. They were trying to print out some mathematics. Kids are doing exams, so they were trying to print. You can see it rolled. I can even lift it using a paper. So on this time, in this situation, you really can't do much. So you can see, let me take this out. Okay, turn off this. But then what will happen? I can't even take out other parts. So I can use a key or whatever. You can see the toner on my thing. You can see. Simply means the toner was also dirty. I can use a key if I want to, and you can see I take it out. Yes, I can take it out, and I'll be able to go and print. You can see how many pages which sticks here. You can see the fuser itself. You can see how it is now. It's dirty, so that's why it sticks pages. You get me? Pages and pages. So I did clean it in the first. What is a video I made, I think, but it was just a joke or a play, because after a couple of prints it came back. Yeah, so if you want, you can clean it, but you can try to twist these gears, then they'll clean it. They will move for you. Let me see. Doesn't want to move. I don't know why, but anyway, you can use a knife or you can use a key. A key is not that very good. You can use some sharp object, or you can unscrew here. You take out this. Once you take it out, you can be able to, even using your fingers a bit by bit. Okay, you can see I'm taking out this. I can make this fuser go back and work after peeling off this, but now this issue is it's gonna come back and do the same thing. So I'm just doing this video to show you that sometimes it's not worth it to do that. It's worth it to take out this sleeve and put a new one. Otherwise, you're gonna be playing with your time. You can take it out a bit by bit, but it won't help much. You can take your time, be patient. It will change. It will be fine for a while, but after that, that won't work. You can see. You can see even inside here. You can see there's it jammed already here inside. So you can take out this can move. Okay, you can take out this, then you can access this part by putting in anything you want, maybe a stick, maybe a sharp object, then you take out this. You get me? But besides doing what I'm telling you, you're gonna spend a lot of time, and okay, that can go back like that, and you won't get good results. In long term, you're gonna be on a losing side if you do this only. Taking out a fuser is not difficult, but then printing and coming and taking out a fuser like that, buy a sleeve, then you're fine. Thanks for watching, guys, and I really hope to see you in the next video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment box below, then we'll proceed. I think this is the end of it.